In this section, we are going to be looking at a new operation called the factorial. And this is represented by an exclamation point. And what it means is we want to multiply the number by all positive integers less than that number down through 1. We are also going to be looking at permutations and combinations. A permutation is a number of ways our objects can be chosen from n distinct objects without repetition, and order is important. A combination is the number of ways our objects can be chosen from n distinct objects without repetition, and order is not important. So we have these formulas for permutations and combinations, and you will see that they involve factorials. Now, we can either use the formulas or we can use the calculator, because the calculator has permutation and combination commands. So we are actually going to be focusing mostly on the calculator. Number 1 wants us to solve the 4 factorials. So 8 factorial is equal to 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And this is equal to 40,320. So if you look at this, it's actually kind of similar to some of the questions in the previous section when we were trying to figure out all of the different options, and you had 5 options for the first blank and then only 4 options left for the second blank, and then 3 options left, and then so on. So that's really why it's in this chapter. And we also have a factorial command on the calculator. So if you type in 8 on the home screen and then press the math button and then go over to the PRB, which stands for probability, and down to number 4, which is the exclamation point or the factorial command, and then press enter, and then press enter again, then you will get the 40,320. So you can use the calculator to solve these. So 9 factorial, this is going to be 362,880. 1 factorial is just 1. And then 0 factorial is actually also 1. So this is a little bit weird. It's actually similar to when you have 0 as the exponent. So anything raised to the 0 power is equal to 1. So it's a similar rule as to why 0 factorial is equal to 1.